research on the hydrogen energy. I'd made enough money to retire, and I felt that the Silicon Valley was getting too crowded, and I wanted to move to Florida for the water.
I'm trying to hold back the excitement because I don't want to lose my objectivity. But it is exciting to know where this may take us because it'll be a whole new area of theory. There's things we don't understand because there's something unique about it.
When I was in school, we had to learn glass blowing and we had to learn welding because we had to make our own equipment. A typical scientist would, if they can't buy it out of a catalog, they won't use it, or they can't use it. I think there's some scientists that just will not go to the bench and try to verify or disprove what is proposed. They're too bullheaded to change.
But Dennis Cravens is a scientist who was prepared to advise on the problems of accurate measurement.
I was basically skeptical before I saw the device. This area has been known of false claims, and when I first came to Patterson's lab, it was not exactly the state-of-the-art measurements. The electric meters only had a few digits to it, so there was some question of whether or not they were measuring what we thought they were measuring.
I was finding an increased yield of energy. However, it was so low that it was questionable, and it could be my equipment, my instruments that were actually giving me this increased energy output instead of a true reaction.
With figures so low and so hard to verify, Patterson had actually abandoned his research for over 6 years.
There was a lot of controversy about 1989 in alternative energies, and I went back and decided to take a look at my findings that I'd previously discovered. I have a continuous record of scientific development since 1949. When I went back to my records with a fresh eye, I found that I was producing excess energy, but at a very low level.